Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to be implementing the inbox row view, which is this view. So let's start coding. This is where we left in the last video. So first thing, let's go to our view folder and create a new file, swiftui view. Let's call it inbox row view. Okay, perfect. And inside my inbox view, let's call inbox row view. Okay, in my inbox row view I will need the width, because as you can see for this one I will probably need a certain width compared to the width of the screen. So here I will place it inside the geometry reader. So I will embed inside the G stack. I will call it geometry reader proxy in, and I will, in my inbox row view, I will add var width of type cg-float, and I will make it private var width of type cg-float, and I will add an initializer. Okay, here I will give him, let's say 300 for now. It's not a big deal here. Okay, and here I will pass the missing argument, which will be proxy.size.width. Okay, so perfect, the way I wanted. So now I go to my inbox row view and we will start implementing our view. First thing, as you can see, it's an A stack. So here we will have an A stack with a spacing of 12, and first thing will be this image. So image, and we will call Elizabeth. It's an image from my asset folder. Okay, it will be dot resizable with a frame of width and height of 56. It will be also scaled to fill, and it will have a clip shape of circle. Okay, perfect. After that I got a V stack, so let's add a V stack with spacing of 4, and before that I got an alignment of dot leading. And as you can see, I got two texts. So first one will be Wanda Maximov, and the second one will be sent video. Both of them got a font of dot subheadline, so font dot subheadline. This one got a font weight of semi-bold, so I will apply a font weight of semi-bold. This one got a foreground style of gray, so foreground style of dot gray. Also, another thing we need is, you see this one, for example, hello, it's the last message we received from Dwight. If let's say he didn't send hello, he sent us a 4 or 5 line message. We won't write 4 or 5 lines of message. We will write only the first 2 lines. To do so, we will add also dot line limit of 2, which is perfect. And I also want to give it a max width for this one, so it doesn't go all the way to the screen. And this max width, I will use the width I'm getting already from my inbox view, so I will give it dot frame with max width and alignment. Max width will be width minus 100, and for alignment it will be dot leading. After I'm done with the V stack, I got this one, it's an A stack, so we got an A stack, and here it will be two text. First one called yesterday, and the second one will be not a text, sorry, an image from SF symbol, system name, chevron.write. Okay, and to the entire A stack I will give it a font of dot footnote and the foreground style of dot gray, which is perfect. I think if I go to my main tab bar view to see, it's starting to look very similar. Something that you can see that is different is the height, so let's go back to our inbox row view, and on the entire A stack let's give it frame with a height of 72. Now if I go, it's very similar, beautiful. And in the next video I will show you how to implement this component, the circular image, but in a way that is reusable, because as you probably will see, we will use it in many places in our app, and the sizes will be different from one screen to another. So in the next video we will create a circular profile image that will be reusable. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.